Welcome guys, NoCode engineer. Today we're going to build a mobile navigation menu, the one which normally appears at the bottom of the screen. So Instagram has this, YouTube has this, Twitter has this. So yeah, you can't understand why, because it makes it much easier for the user to be able to navigate throughout the page if those menus are there. So if you're going to build an app which you hope or want your users to be able to have easy access of some of the options there, this will be come in handy. So for example, this is the menu. It looks like this. So this is Takealot, one of South Africa's top online stores. So they have this menu. Even though this is from 2021, they still have it like this. The only things which they've changed, they put an option for category, they remove cart, and here where there's cart, they put what's that? What did they put? I think they put deals. So this has been working for a while, and if you can just go back the history of Instagram and YouTube, they stick with this. So majority of the apps, to be user friendly, I think it would be best if you also build an app with this. It is something which the user will be much familiar with. So yeah, let's go to it guys. Let's start. So basically what you will need to know, those menus are actually on Bubble, they are floating group, because they do not disappear when you go to a different page. So they are floating groups. They can disappear when you make a conditions for them to disappear when you open certain elements, but majority of the time they'll be there. So what you will need to do, add that floating group. It is. So what I will need to do is to make sure it's aligned as a row, because I want those elements to be aligned this way. This is the row way. So another thing, if you can see, it's not going at the end of the screen, so I just need to untick the width. Yeah, and again, because it's supposed to be at the bottom, I need to go to appearance, vertical float relative to, I choose bottom. Then let me just quickly change the background to be a different color. I'm doing this so that I won't lose sight of this, because it's, the screen is white. Sometimes I can lose sight of it. And then what I'm going to do, all those icons which are going to be here, if we can go back here, you will see that is the icon and the name, icon and the name, icon and the name. So what I will need to do, I won't immediately put an icon. I'll need to put a group, then I put the icon inside the group, then I put the text in the same group. So let's go to groups. Let me create my nice small group here. All right, and then let's go to icon. If you don't, I would like to use this one for native apps. If you only have this icon here on top like this, just know that you just simply need to go to plugins and look for this iconic icon and install it. It will gives you more icons which are more, have that native app feel. So I'll take this icon, paste it here. All right, let me change the color to be something we can see. Yeah, I think this one is fine. Cool. Then let's go to text, paste the text there. Let me double check what the color code is. Okay, it's this one. Let's go to the text. Yeah, let me change the color first before I work on it. What's wrong with the PC? Is it me or? Okay, did it change? Okay, let's see. Let's say this one is home. Okay. Oh yeah, it was there. So yeah, this is home, right? And I want it to be, let me just quickly check something. Yeah, to be aligned like this. The text is as well to be aligned there in the middle. And another thing which I will need to do within this group, which is having this one. this group which has the icon as well as the text, I want it to be container layout, to be column, so that is from top to bottom rather than row or just in a strange way. So after doing that, I go back to the icon. I want this icon to be like 30. All right, the icon is like 30, and the height is 30 as well. It's fixed height, but as far as for the width, I'm going to remove this tick, but I'll prefer to do that after I've put the other icons there. So here's this group. Let me change this group color because it's disappearing in my eyes. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way. Let's make it this. Okay, sharp. All right. So what I will need, this text, I want it to not to be fixed, and let's put it on 0. Should be fixed, and the height, let it be 0 as well, the minimum, and this whole icon, it shouldn't have a fixed height as well. Bang. So yeah, this icon, let it be aligned in the middle like this. And to sort it out, everything, don't worry if it doesn't look nice, we'll sort it out. So yes, we have our first icon with the text, but let's change this icon to be something which speaks more to be like a group, or sorry, which speaks more to be like a home icon. So I think this one will do. There we go. Cool. Let's go to the groups, floating group 80s. So what I want, I just want this to be duplicated 5 times here. So right click, go to copy, right click, go to paste. There you go. Paste again. 3, 4, 5. Cool. So if you can see, the other icon fell on the other side because it doesn't fit properly. So then I just go and check this width, which I've revised, that I will have to untick it. So I will untick, then I'll make it 0. Cool. It squeeze itself there, but we want everything to be the same size. So untick, 0, untick, 0, untick, 0, the last one, untick, 0. So yeah, everything fitted there. The other thing which we'll need to do, you can see this gap at the bottom. This is from the floating group, which its minimum height is 95. I don't need any minimum height. The height needs to be determined by this icon as well as the text, the height, so that it will have that certain feel. So the first one is there. Let's check what is the second one. Second one is deals. Okay, let sorry. Second one is deals. Let's change it to something similar to there. I think I saw a clock there. So let's see. Clock. It's fine. This one is fine. Cool. So name it as deals. I think I saw something like a cut. Okay. Right. Can I have a cut like this? Let me see. They're all more thicker, but because I'm also having a, yeah, I can leave it like that. And then the like, okay, let me change the name to be cut. And then this is the love. Okay, not love, let's see, heart. Cool, it's a heart. Okay, that's heart. Let's make this, it is for list. Is it list or wish? Wish list. Alrighty. Right, let me see. What else? Wish list or lists. It's fine. Account. Account. I will. Okay. I think I'll find it via user. No user. Uh, person. Okay. Right, person. All right. Let's type in account. There you go, guys. Very simple. Let's do a quick preview. Don't worry about the colors. I just wanted to see that everything is visible. Yeah, it looks nice. It doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, that's about it, guys. This is how you do the bottom menu. I don't know if something which I can add. Yeah. Let's see. It's fine. I was thinking this more like but normally when you're building apps like this, like shopping apps, you don't need like your picture normally is there. But I saw on YouTube, Instagram, they normally put like your picture. If you can check, if you're watching this on mobile, you see that there's a picture of your profile or the profile of your channel there. And you'll always do that if you feel like it. If you don't want me, let me just quickly show you how to do that. You can just simply change this to be a picture. Where are you? Picture, image. Okay, click on image, and as we saw that it was 30 on everything. 30. And let's remove this icon. Yeah, yeah. So I guess if we can, let me see, even change this to like this, and fit to, no, let's put it, let's see. Oh, what is going on? Okay, that's a different project I'm doing. Okay, all right, guys. Let's end the video there. So right now, after this, I'm going to show you how to actually connect these options, how to pages. So for I'm going to end the video right now at 15 minutes. Then part 2 will be showing you that when you press this icon, it shows what, press this, it shows what. Because when you're building a native app on Bubble, it doesn't necessarily allow you to create pages, but basically it's like when you click, it makes you feel like you're actually opening a page, but you are actually hiding other groups and showing other groups. That's about it. Thank you very much for joining me. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. If I'm too fast, let me know. If I'm too slow, let me know. If you don't understand anything on the video, let me know. And again, apologies for the voice. I've been very busy today, bit tired, and you know, but I'll try to actually push through this particular project. Thanks.